Hi, to record screen on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, you will need to simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. In here, find this video icon, and if you press it, you'll be able to change the screen recorder settings. For example, we can go in resolution and switch to any other option from the list by tapping it. Do the same for the video quality, like that. For the orientation, so we can enable auto, or we can fix this portrait view or the landscape view like that. I'm gonna enable auto. For the sound source, we can select system, microphone, none, or both. Let's choose both. We can also adjust the frame rate here. And here we can enable or disable those features: lock screen to end, show touch gestures, which is really useful. So when you will just tap on any feature in the screen recordings, it will be shown. You can also select this show button taps, which is also useful. And now, to launch the screen recording, you just need to go back in the control center and tap this icon once. Here you'll see those floating buttons, and to start recording, you'll need to tap this red round button. And here you'll see the time of your screen recording. We can tap on the screen, and here you can see the dots in the places on which I'm tapping. Now, to stop the recording, just tap it, tap the square button, and now it is saved. So let's check it. I'm gonna open my gallery, and here is my screen recording. So this is how it looks. Also, it recorded with sound, as you can see. And you can see those white dots in the places in which I'm tapping, as I said before, which is really useful. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.